Hey you! So I hear you wanted to see me.
Bats over here kidnapped me and brought me to you. What's your deal anyway?
I am a retired Calvin Klein model turned oil tycoon. And you?
Oh brother, I've heard about you, Deadpool. Bats over here say we are a lot alike, meaning you must talk a lot, kill a lot, and look sexy as hell a lot.
So you have heard of me, I see.
So why am I here?
Well, let's say I'm doing some work for some very important people. Some people that bats over here would not like. I heard that your on-again, off-again boyfriend, the Joker, caused the Terra Luna Crash.
What's that got to do with me?
I think you already know the answer to that.
Please enlighten me. Do you see them looking at us?
So you see them, for real?
Nah, Batman told me to do that to mess with you.
Haha, where was I? Oh yeah, the Joker.
You mean Puddin'?
Sure, Puddin'.
I'll never give up my puddin'. I'm not telling you shit.
You sure about that?
What's in it for me?
Well, let's say that I have a particular set of skills.
Really? Liam Neeson. Taken.
And you say you can't see them.
When I realized she may be crazy as me.
You okay?
Yeah, you know, I think Bats is right. We're both batshit crazy.
Hey, speak for yourself. You know what? I like you, DP. And MR.J double-crossed me again. Plus, you seem to already know most of how this Terra Luna crash went down. So let me tell you how. Joker had this all planned out for a while.
How long is a while?
A few months or so.
Okay, continue.
Then on May 7th, I meant he attacked.
I already know your part in this caper. And like you said, he double-crossed you again. So please, continue.
Well, before I get to May 7th, let me back up how Terra Luna's ecosystem was supposed to work.
Damn, boo, looking good.
Yeah, I know. Now back to business. Terra Luna's stablecoin was pegged to the US dollar using an algorithm, not actual US dollars. The algorithm failed, and their USD depegged and tanked. And because of this, the Terra Luna stablecoin project went from a top 10 crypto project to worthless in just a few days. This is hurting the crypto market way more than anything else right now.
The algorithm failed? You mean you made it fail? How?
The Joker and his goons.
You mean you?
Knew that if they broke UST's dollar peg, that it would cause uncertainty in the ecosystem. On May 7th, the Joker swapped $85 million worth of USD into USDC on the decentralized exchange curve. We then continued to swap tens of millions of dollars worth of USDC, putting a constant downward pressure on the price of USD. Sentiment turned negative. Investors withdrew several $billion worth of USD from Anchor and began to redeem their tokens for Luna. Now this pushed Luna's price down, leading to more instability. Now what the Joker didn't think about was the fact that Terra Luna had about $1.8 billion worth of BTC, which they sold in a failed attempt to defend the peg. This partially explains the large dip in the markets today. So adding that, along with all the world events, is just bad for crypto overall. Eventually, the project crashed and died, and then crypto crashed and died. And guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. But for real, the Joker did it all for fun. Just for the hell of it.
For the smell of it.
So, what's next?
Hell, I don't need you anymore. This confirms what we already knew. Do I get to see you again?
That depends.
Depends on what.
If you want to or not. But no Batman next time.
Deal.